Well, that one took like 2 minutes, so.
It's fucking hilarious. Am I in it? Yeah. How long can you record for? As long. I have like so much space open on this phone.
It's the worst key to hide behind.
Yeah, good job. Kevin, if you hear cracks.
Oh shit! That was only one, right? Nice.
I told you, like, go.
Oh shit! That.
Push it into the river.
Push it, yeah. Oh my god.
Yo, that fucking plane's gonna think there's like dead people.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm definitely taking that as a distress call.
Hey, you're gonna keep it in the river now?
Yeah.
Put it in.
Yeah.
It floats!
No, dude, that shit's moving. It floats! Oh.
Hit the bottom.
If we had closed it, it might have floated.
Yeah. That was pretty good.
It was.
Way too fucking good. Alright.
Yeah.
That shit's